In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a book size page in Microsoft Word. This can be useful when creating a small book, booklet, novel, journal, or other documents that need a custom page size. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to change the page size. Next, go to the Layout tab at the top of the Word window. In the Page Setup section, click the Size button. Word will display a list of standard paper sizes. If the book size you need is already available, you can select it directly from this list. However, if you want to use a specific book size that isn't listed, click More Paper Sizes at the bottom of the menu. This will open the Page Setup dialog box with the Paper tab selected. Look for the Paper Size section. Here, you can enter your own dimensions using the width and height fields. For example, if you want to create a common small book size, you can enter the exact width and height required for your project. Make sure you use the correct measurement units for your document. After entering the dimensions, check the preview to make sure the page orientation and proportions look correct. If you want the book to use a portrait layout, make sure Portrait is selected under Orientation. For a landscape book, select Landscape instead. You can also adjust the margins by switching to the Margins tab. When creating a book, it's a good idea to leave enough space around the text, especially on the side where the pages will be bound. Once everything is set, click OK to apply the new page size. Your Word document will now use the custom book size dimensions you entered. You may notice that the number of pages changes because the new page size affects how much text fits on each page. If you're preparing the document for printing as an actual book, remember that setting the page size is only one part of the process. You may also need to configure margins, page orientation, page numbers, and bookfold or booklet settings depending on how the document will be printed and bound. And that's how you can set a custom book size in Microsoft Word. By entering your own page dimensions, you can create a document that matches the exact size required for your book project. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,